Welcome to LM Potency Part 7. Here we will deal now with the preparation of the LM potency, that is LM1 potency. So in the Part 6, we had seen how to start from the 3C potency or how to prepare the 3C potency. From there, we can prepare the LM1 potency. So let's see how. So 1 grain, that is 0.062 grams of 3C powder dissolved in 500 drops, that is a mixture of 1 part of alcohol and 4 parts of distilled water. The dilution ratio is 1:500 of 3C. Now out of this, only 1 drop is put in a vial, and again you are adding 100 drops of pure alcohol are added. And the vial is filled until it is 2/3 full. Hence, now the dilution ratio becomes 1:50,000. That is 1:500 multiplied by 100. That is 1:50,000. 100 strong succussions are given with the hand against a hard but elastic body. So therefore, you're giving 100 strong succussions against a hard but elastic body. Thus, the first potency is obtained in the scale known as LM1. Now, the prepared LM1 medicine is moistened with 100 small globules weighing 1 grain, and each globule is 1 millimeter in diameter. So this is done with the help of a small cylindrical vessel in the shape of a thimble, which is made from glass, porcelain, or silver. And it has a small opening at the bottom. The globules are put into it, and the dynamized LM1 solution is added to it. Then they're quickly poured out on blotting paper in order to dry them quickly. It is then transferred into a well-corked vial, and the label is put LM1 or first degree of potency. Now preparation of LM2. Now only 1 globule of LM1 potency is taken for further dynamization. Special reference is given to footnote number 155 regarding 1 globule. According to the first direction, 1 drop of LM was to be taken and 100 drops of pure alcohol was added. Dilution ratio 1:100. This was too limited to develop thoroughly a high degree of power by means of a number of succussions. So by using this dilution ratio, you do not get a high degree of dynamization. Therefore, if only 1 globule is taken, of which 100 globules weigh 1 grain, that is 65 milligrams, or 500 globules to be soaked of 0 mm in size, the granules are so small that 1 drop of alcohol LM1 liquid can completely wet at least 500 of them. So to this we add 100 drops of alcohol, thus the proportion becomes 1:50,000. That is 500 multiplied by 100 is equal to 50,000. Thus you take 1 globule from this to make LM2 potency. This 1 globule is put in a second new vial and it's dissolved in a drop of water. To this again you add 100 drops of good alcohol and 100 powerful succussions are given. LM2 is obtained and is medicated and stored in the same way I described before. Hahnemann's opinion is that Dr. Hahnemann thus said that by using this dilution ratio of 1:100, the medicine obtained, especially high dilutions, will have a furious, even dangerous, violent reaction. So as told you before, if you use the dilution ratio of 1:100, the dilutions will have a furious and even dangerous, violent reaction. This sort of reaction will be seen in patients who are weak and the vital force reaction will be harsh. So therefore it is seen in weak patients or in extremely sensitive patients, and the vital force will reaction in a very harsh manner. But in this new method described by Dr. Hahnemann, the medicines of the highest power will have the mildest action. So again, he tells you that with this new method of dynamization, no doubt the power will be high, but the action will be extremely mild. If the medicine is well chosen, then it touches the suffering parts curatively. Thus, such medicines can be repeated often at short intervals, even though they have a long content action. Or in other words, they are deep-acting medicines. So, when you prepare the medicines by the LM potency, they have a high power, they have a deep acting in nature, and can be continued for a long period of time repeatedly. In the treatment of chronic disease, it is best to start with low potencies and then to advance to higher degree of dynamization. This Dr. Hahnemann has repeatedly said that in any chronic case, if you're using the LM potency, always start with the low potency and then progressively increase to the high potency. And so preparation of LM3 to LM30 in the same process is continued till you get the 30th degree dynamization degree. So 30th is the maximum where you can obtain. After 30th, there is no dilution which is available. Or LM30 is the maximum potency and LM1 is the minimum potency. So this is how you prepare LM1 to LM30 in this particular fashion. Thank you. If you like this video, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe. And part 8 is coming up soon. So please see the part. Thank you.